Hi friends, let us start with the sets. Last time we have discussed about the set. What is set? Set is a group or collection of any things, we can say. For example, a set of books, a set of players, set of instrument. Now we will see further what the sets are. Then take out the textbook and page number 2. On that first line we will see what is set. Set means if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called as a set. The examples are given: a set of natural numbers, set of natural numbers. In that 1, 2, 3 and so on, we can say that this is a set of a natural number. From this we can definitely say that in that natural numbers only natural numbers are there. A set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a set of a whole number. Similarly, a set of integer, set of a real number, such an rational number, such type of sets are there. Now we will see how we are writing these sets. There are two different methods of writing the sets. First one is listing method, or we can say that this is an roster method. Listing and roster method is one. And second method is rule method or set builder form. First of all, we will see what is the listing method. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in a curly bracket. Curly bracket is important. You cannot use the simple bracket. Each of the element is written only once and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. See, in textbook one example is given: the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as a set A is equal to curly bracket 3, 5, 7, 9, or set A 7, 3, 5, 9. Here order is not important, so that you can say first we have to write 3, then 5 or 7 and 9. No, you can write 7, 3, 5, 9. Order means not in a sequence. Now here if an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write that element only once. For example, in the word remember, the letter R, M, E are repeated more than once. So the set of letters of this word is written as A is equal to REMB. Here spelling is repeated, that letter E is repeated, R is repeated and M is repeated. You don't have to write it again. Now we will see the next method, that is rule method or set builder method. In this method, we do not write the list of elements but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. Now one example is given at the bottom. A is a set, curly bracket, x colon x belongs n comma 1 less than x less than 10 curly bracket complete. Now how we have to read this? We have to read this as a set A is a set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. See, A is a set of all x such that colon here x such that x is natural number comma and which is natural number between 1 and 10. This x we have written in between 1 and 10. X is less than, the x is greater than 1 and it is smaller than 10. That means it is between 1 and 10. See on the next page, some examples are given for you. Rule method or a set builder form, listing method or a roster method. A. Set A is x such that x is a letter of the word division. B is a set of y such as y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. Set C is equal to curly brackets z colon mark such z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. In same way, listing method is also given here. A is a set of words of division, D-I-V-I-S-O-N. Here 3. What rule method is there? And here listing method they have given you. You just go through this. And next example in the block, fill in the blanks given in the following table. Here roster method is given, here rule method is given. You just see the listing method, go to the rule method. What all things are in the blank, you just fill it and solve the practice set 1.1 as a homework.